Hello traders, the title of the video is Mastering Trading Volume like a Pro, fifth tips. So these fifth tips will conclude this series of videos that we were talking about mastering trading volume like a pro, part 1 to part 5. So this is the last section for that group of video. All right. So in this tutorial, talking about the fifth tips for mastering trading volume like a pro, I want to highlight to traders, technical traders, or stock traders, that the volume spike or the surge in trading volume often occur at a hot spot trading zone. So a trader will say to me, Joe, you said it before, I'm aware of it, you are not telling me anything new. Then I will say to that person that though a lot of traders are aware of the fact that the volume surge or the volume spike often occur at the hotspot trading zone, traders are not using it. They are not paying attention to it, and they are making a lot of mistakes. And I will say to that traders, give me 2 minutes, and I will explain to you what is going on, why I must talk about it today. All right, and I will begin the demonstration very shortly, and I'll show you the mistake that traders are making when we are talking about the fact that the volume spike or surge in trading volume often occur at a hot spot trading zone. So what I've said to you today, I can say it to you in a different way, all right? Which means if you see a surge in trading volume somewhere else that is not a hot spot trading zone, you need to be very, very cautious. I think that's another way to put it to you, because you already know that volume spike very often will occur at a hot spot trading zone, but sometimes it does not happen at a hot spot trading zone. So what is happening in that case? So why? Here we are, people will go, for instance, all right, on a 10-minute time frame, and they see a volume spike. They don't know where they are, and they say there's a volume spike on a 5-minute time frame. The price going now is going to go down, and they are playing with the volume spike on the lower time frame, where the volume spike is taking place, and no one knows whether it's at a hot spot on the zone or not. This is the problem we are facing. There's a volume spike happening on the 5 minutes, on the 1 minute, on the 10 minutes, and people are doing all sort of crazy things. But where is the best place once you use the volume spike? Is at a hot spot trading zone. So now you understand why I'm a bit blah 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 about this topic, volume spike occurring at a hot spot trading zone. So if I go back again to the, let's go quickly to the hourly time frame that a lot of traders are using, and here we are again, volume spike. Here, this is a key level. You see this zone, that's where we had that volume spike. It's a key level on a monthly chart. Those are the place where when you see it on the hourly time frame or the lower time frame, a volume spike occurring around a key level. So you will, for instance, traders will go very often one particular time frame. I don't know why traders are so obsessed with the daily chart. I don't understand. People are so obsessed with the daily chart, but the daily chart is not the only higher time frame. But most swing traders spend their time on the daily chart. Try to go to the weekly chart, monthly chart, quarterly chart. Why not the yearly chart? You can do that. Nothing can stop you to do that. So people love the volume spike on the day. They say today we have a surge in the volume. What you can do, all right? So talking about volume spike occurring in a hotspot trading zone, if you love to use your volume spike on a daily chart, the first thing that you can do is to go first to the monthly chart. At least go to the monthly chart. Most trading software has the monthly chart, so you go to the monthly chart. You draw your key level. So this is the orange line, red line, all these lines. Have them on your monthly chart, and then before you switch to your daily chart, and only pay attention to the volume spike that are occurring around those key levels. Another thing that I will say to trader, once you draw those line, a trend line, horizontal key support, resistance level on the monthly chart before switching to the daily chart. If you're on a daily chart, also pay attention to the median line between the two key levels. So like here, you see between the green and the orange. The median line is this one here. You can see we have a bit of volume spike that was occurring, okay, just before that gap up, okay. Those are the things you want to pay attention to if you want to use the volume spike on the daily chart like this. So going back to our topic, all right, because this is the end of this series of video. I'm a bit excited about it, and I want to bark and shout about that particular okay volume spike trading mistake. All right. So the point I'm making here, if you go back again to the monthly chart, okay, a bit excited here. So you can see, if you look carefully on this chart, we have okay, a few volume spike taking place here. Is it Starbuck? Yes, there was a one. You see, there was a average volume 140 million share. I talked about this before in this series of videos. So if you watch the previous video, you know what I'm talking about. And then we start seeing a volume spike here. Here it is. Why we have the volume spike happening here? Because it is a hot spot trading zone. How do I know? Because anytime the price breaks below a prior low, so if you use Fibonacci, okay, extension to this one here, is that correct? Yes. If I put it all the way to the top, because they draw their Fibonacci extension different way, if I put it all the way to the top, this move down, okay, that's low there, all right, price break below it. The next challenge for that bearish momentum is the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. So this is the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. It's a hot spot trading zone. As the price was retesting that key level, there was a volume spike. Those are the type of volume spike we want to pay attention to. The volume spike that are occurring at a hot spot trading zone. But we are not trading the volume spike. We will acknowledge the trading volume spike, but then we'll pay attention to the price. If it's going to go up, you will see a higher low. Or if it's going to go down, you see a lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay? So here, it's a hot spot trading zone. Okay? If I put my Fibonacci extension to the closing price again, there is corresponding to 138.2% Fibonacci extension level, or this move down. So our prices are going up from here, and then break below it, next challenge 138.2% level, hot spot trading zone, volume spike. Alright, so now the next volume spike did happen again here. You see more volume spike in this section here. Why? Why here? Alright, so other traders may say, George, are you blind or what? We have an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. That's one answer. So you see, what happened at this? There's this head, right, left hand side shoulder, right hand side shoulder. But there are more to this one here. The reason is we talk about it at the 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. This is the most powerful bullish signal. You remember that? If the price form a new lower low in comparison to the previous low, but quickly turn around and form a higher low, that higher low is the most powerful bullish trading setup. One will implement a top-down trading method to trade it like a pro, yes or no. This is what the professional are buying here. You see the highest volume spike did occur at the most powerful bullish trading setup. Here it is. Okay, 504 million share. All right. See, that's it. It's like a hot spot trading zone. Now the price from a double bottom chart pattern, we can see again a surge in trading volume. We talk about this also when we see a double bottom, and on the right hand side we see a surge in trading volume. That's a good one. Common setting like scalpel, implement a top-down trading method. If it breaks above the nut and continue to display high, low, high, give priority to bullish signal. So talking about mastering trading volume like a pro, fifth tips, we are talking about volume spike or surge in trading volume. Okay, surge in volume stock trading often occur at a hot spot trading zone. With that, we can filter out, okay, risky surge in trading volume. Volume spike that we are not very sure about, that are occurring in the void. But the best volume spike very often will take place at a hot spot trading zone, which we technical traders, investors have acknowledged a trading opportunity or an investing opportunity. They time the market at a specific price level and they come and buy. So they are buying at a specific price level at a hot spot trading zone. That's how the smart money will buy. So they do care about time in the market, and they do care about how much they are paying for that stock. So the time is very important. So they are timing it right here. They are timing it right here. But they are not timing it just looking at the time alone, but they will pay attention also to the specific price level. So one should always, that's what I'm saying to you, that the reason why I'm barking about it is that people go on a 5 minute doing all sort of things, buying and selling all kind of things because they see a volume spike. Is that volume spike corresponding to a specific price level? Is it at a hot spot trading zone? Will the smart money buy like you are buying? All right. So this is the point we are making. So the best approach is to find, okay, a volume spike on a higher time frame, even 4-hour time frame, at the key level, at the hot spot trading zone. You draw the line on a higher time frame. So you want to trade on the 4-hour time frame, you go to the weekly chart, you draw all your key level, trend line, blah blah blah, and you break it down to your 4-hour time frame. Then you really pay attention to the volume spike at the hot spot trading zone. You are not trading the volume spike, you wait for the price to confirm it. Yes or no? Okay. So this is just about, okay, the 5th tips, okay, talking about volume spike or surge in trading volume, okay, often occur at a hot spot trading zone. Let's go back again quickly to the monthly chart. So we talk about all this volume spike was at a hot spot trading zone, and there was one again here. You see again in this zone, it breaks above this high here and retests it here. Again, a surge in trading volume. Now, as it was coming down, retesting that key level, see again, key level, red line, we see again a bit of surge in trading volume. That's why it pushed it up a bit again. All right. So if you have any question or suggestion, all right, this is your time to put in the comment section. And of course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you find this video truly useful, or this series of videos, part 1 to part 5, very useful, all right, feel free to let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that, George, I did not learn anything from this is another blah blah blah, let us know by giving us the thumbs down. But if you think this is an essential, okay, tutorial, an essential, okay, series of video, all right, feel free to share with your friend on Google Plus, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. That will be very helpful for us, and we may have a new subscribers coming to our channel, and we may improve, okay, our stock trading, all right. This will conclude this tutorial about mastering trading volume like a pro. A 5th tip, and also concluding this series of video, part 1 to part 5, mastering trading volume like a pro. I need to remind traders that there are many ways we can use the surge in trading volume or the volume bar. I will be recording other video in the near future when I will be explaining to traders or different aspects of volume trading. So this is not the end of it, because I don't want the series of video to be 7 video or 10 video. Traders do not watch them if it's too long. Many video forming a series up to 4 is reasonable, 5 maximum. So I stop here, but that's not the end of the discussion about stock volume trading. So what I will recommend to traders, if you notice that there's something I haven't mentioned in this series of video, or something you like us to talk about relating to the volume trading, put in the comment section. I take note, and in the near future, all right, in due course, I will be recording another video to clarify, okay, your question. Okay. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about mastering trading volume like a pro. 5th tips. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.